Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually perform an auto search or auto scan, or let's say blind scan on your master convert decoder. So this is a quick through scan that you're going to perform on your decoder if you already having the channels working on your decoder. So you have to be doing this on a consistent basis, since it's an FTA platform. They're supposed to be adding other channels as time goes by. So all you have to do is you shouldn't be calling upon any installer to be helping you out. Every month or two, you should be scanning on your own and then checking out whether there have been new channels being added onto the platform. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button, which is going to take you to the menu. And then on the menu page, you look for installation. On the installation, you press OK on it, and then you press OK on a DVB-S2, which is satellite second generation. You press OK on an antenna, and here you don't have to change anything here, since you have already placed it on a channel which is working and the signal quality is showing green. Everything is supposed to be working perfectly here for you. So after getting to the antenna settings page, the next thing that you should look out is the start search option over here. You need to change it to either brand or super brand, and then you press OK to proceed. So the super brand will actually serve as an auto search or auto scan over there. So with FT only, you can select yes to avoid those channels with a dollar sign on it, or you can just leave it. And with the radio too, you can leave it as all, or if you want to sort out only the TV channels too, you can select the TV channel over here. So you press OK to proceed, and you wait for the scanning to complete to get access to the newer channel that will be added onto the platform. So you should be doing this on a regular basis to check the newer channels that will be on it. So if today happens to be your first time being on this channel, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and share on other platforms as well. You keep coming back for more.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.